Have you ever stared at your books feeling zero drive to open them? That's the pain we all know. You sit there, phone in hand, scrolling instead of studying. Hours pass, and guilt hits hard. You promise tomorrow will be different, but it's the same cycle. You're stuck, dreaming of success but frozen by no motivation. I get it. I've been there. But here's the promise. By the end of this video, you'll have simple steps to force yourself to grind, even on your worst days. No fluff, just real tools for beginners like you. First section. Accept that motivation won't always come. Motivation is like weather. It changes. Don't wait for it. Force action instead. Start by saying out loud, I feel lazy, but I'll do this anyway. This tricks your brain to move. Think of it as a muscle. The more you push through, the stronger it gets. Beginners mess up by chasing feelings. Stop that. Act first. Motivation follows. Second section. Start super small. Don't aim for hours of study. That's overwhelming. Pick one tiny task, like reading one page or writing one sentence. Set a timer for 2 minutes. Just 2. Once you start, momentum builds. It's physics. An object in motion stays in motion. For you beginners, this is key. Big goals scare you off. Tiny wins pull you in. Third section. Fix your space. Your room matters. Clear distractions. Put your phone in another room. No excuses. Make a study spot that's only for work. Sit there and your brain knows it's grind time. Add a simple ritual like drinking water or stretching before you start. This signals go mode. Beginners often study in bed or with TV on. That's why you fail. Change your setup, change your results. Fourth section. Use the Pomodoro trick. Work for 25 minutes, then break for 5. Use a timer app. During work time, focus hard. No breaks. This builds discipline. After a few rounds, you'll feel the flow. For stuck beginners, this breaks the grind into bites. No more endless sessions that never start. It's simple and it works. Fifth section. Reward the effort. After a study block, give yourself something nice, like a snack or a short walk. But make it earned. No reward without work. This trains your brain to link grind with good feelings. Beginners skip this and burn out. Treat yourself like a friend. Small rewards keep you going long-term. Now, the wake-up call. If you keep waiting for motivation, years will slip by. You'll look back and regret the lost time. Dreams don't wait. Force the grind now, or stay stuck forever. This is your moment. Choose action. Last section. Get accountable. Tell a friend your study goal, or join a study group online. When others know, you push harder. For beginners, alone is tough. Share your plan, it makes it real. Track your days and share wins. That's it. Use these steps, and you'll grind through zero motivation. Start today. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more tips. Comment your biggest struggle below. I'll reply. Let's get you unstuck.